So, site and reliability engineering ng DevOps. So, ito ang focus lang nito is yung production ng system, yung napoproduce niyang output at kung paano i-scale up yung production ng isang system. Scalability ang tawag doon. Ang focus niya is production and scalability ng isang system. So, alam naman natin, pag sinabi mong DevOps, IT concepts and programming concepts combined. So, yun. No? Yung site and reliability engineering ng DevOps and yung sinasabi nilang chaos engineering. Chaos engineering is intentionally pinapasukan mo ng mali o pinapasukan mo ng error para matest mo yung system vulnerability and resilience. So yung SQL injection fault is an example of chaos engineering. Yun yung general term doon, yung SQL fault injection. Kaso lang, ina-apply yun sa SQL or sa SQL. Yeah. Pero kung i-apply mo siya generally, chaos engineering ang tawag, na ang example is SQL fault injection. So, yun lang pa.